Not only is this problem fun, it's also a way to remember the quotient rule just in case you ever forget it. So suppose that you've got a function y equals a over b, and then we're going to use the product rule, which means we need to change this into a product. Well, the way to do that is rewrite it as y equals a times b to the negative 1. Okay, now that we have it as a product, we can use the product rule, which goes something like this. Take the derivative of the a and leave the b to negative 1 alone, plus leave the a alone, and then take the derivative of b to the negative 1. So the negative 1 will need to come down in front and multiply, and then subtract 1 from the exponent. The only thing is, this is not just an x. This is a function of x. So we're going to have to take the derivative of that as well. So there's basically two functions in here. One is the function that raises stuff to the negative 1, and we take the derivative of that by going like this. But the b function is a function of x as well, so we need to take the derivative of it. So next, take the derivative of b. What I just did is the chain rule, which we're going to cover in a couple of sections. If you hadn't seen that before, don't worry. You're going to see it in a couple of sections from now. Alright, the next thing to do is use some algebra to clean this up. So don't leave any negative exponents. Like this needs to be changed to 1 over b, and this needs to be changed to 1 over b squared. So we've got the derivative of a over b, and then minus a times b prime is over b squared. And now get a common denominator. So this needs to be multiplied by b on the top and the bottom. So we now have a common denominator of b squared, and then the derivative of the top times the bottom left alone, minus the top times the derivative of the bottom, is the quotient rule.